Welcome to Pixie Dust Tales!
There were 10 in the bed, and the little one said, "Roll over, roll over, roll!" So they all rolled over, and one fell out. How many now? Let's count it out. There were 10 in the bed, and the little one said, "Roll over, roll, roll over, roll!" So they all rolled over, and one fell out. There were 9 in the bed. Roll, roll, don't be slow. Watch them tumble down they go. Count them down, 9, 8, 7. Let's keep rolling, this is fun. Clap, clap, roll around. Spin, spin, touch the ground. Jump, jump, don't you stop, roll again. Pop, pop, 9 in the bed, then 8, then 7. Rolling, rolling all together. Each time one goes boom and out. Let's keep counting, shout it out. Oh, someone fell, are they okay? Yes, they're well. 6 in the bed, then 5, then 4. Rolling, rolling to the floor. 3, 2, almost done. Now there's only one. Can you roll? Roll. Can you clap? Clap. Can you bounce just like that? Yes. There was 1 in the bed, and the little one said, "I'm comfy, no more rolling." Yay! Snuggle up and go to sleep. Dream so soft and deep. Shh. Good night. Close your eyes or start again. Surprise, surprise!